I'm literally screaming because I got my package from Strip Beauty. This brand is women owned and operated by women, and look how cute the little packaging is when you open it up. I love the little stamp on the box. And look how cute they sent me this little cute note, creating together. I am looking forward. I got the Flower Hour toner. I got the pop grip that goes on your phone. So cute, love it. I love how their brand is vegan and cruelty free, everything under $30. This Flower Hour toner, it helps with hyperpigmentation. It helps hydrate the skin. It removes buildup and dead skin cells. It's a water-like texture, which I really love, especially because I am dry skin girly. It's made fresh from New York. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the makeup, and you'll see how my skin looks afterwards. It looks so glossy, so seamless, and I absolutely love Strip Beauty. Please go follow them on Instagram. Go check out their page and use my discount code that I will post down here.